Hey gang, welcome back to another episode of Flint Hill Catfishing. This is Brian, and man, it has been hard to get out and fish lately. Between high water and really tough work schedule, it's been difficult. So, and also I've been trying to get my kayak set up so I could go out on the lake or the river. I'm usually river fishing, as many of you know that watch my channel. But my buddy Dean, who I fish with a lot, he was sick for a while and couldn't go out on his boat either, so we didn't get to go out on Wylie much. So anyway, it's just been few and far between. So here we are, Lake Wylie. I'm gonna go out here. It's the maiden voyage where I'm actually fishing maiden voyage in the Ascend 128T. So hopefully I'll put some slime on the boat today. All right, so out on the water, dragging a gizzard shad fillet on my left rod here. I'm sorry, that's a perch head. Rod on the right's got a gizzard shad fillet, and I got a third rod up front, but I don't have it rigged up yet. I broke it off the other day, so I just took it in case I broke one of these other rods or lines off that I could have another rod ready. So anyway, just gonna drift a little, troll a little, get a feel for the boat, and I'm just glad to be back out on the water, folks. It's been a while, man. Just having withdrawals. Finally, it's gonna be the first fish on my boat. All right, nice blue. Boy, that is a sight for sore eyes, people. This guy is like straight lockjaw, y'all. Felt a little tug on the back of the kayak, and sure enough, there he was. First fish in the new kayak, y'all. There he is. Alright, ain't about him. He's probably about 15 pounds, something like that. Good fish though. I'll take him any day. Alright, buddy. Here we go. Away he goes. Woo. Oh, he's wrapped up. Line all over him. Hey, little guy. Another one, guys, about 12 pounds, something like that. Good fish, man. Gosh, says it feels good to catch some fish, y'all. Getting this boat broke in too, feels good. And nice catfish. I'll take them. Plus, always feels alive, man, when he hits you in that kayak, so let's let him go. All right, big boy, he is ready now. Joker's mad. There he goes. Wind and big waves. It's all right though. Chalk it up to experience. I'm learning the boat. One thing I don't like about this boat is the seat will rock back like that. I don't like that too much. I saw a guy online, a YouTube channel. I can't remember what it was, but or what his channel was, but he had these chair, the rubber things you put on the bottom of a chair leg to keep it from scratching the floor. And it looks like the bottom of a crutch, like when you broke your leg or something. And he slid them on those, and then they fit down in there a lot tighter. And it actually kept it from popping up like that as easy. So I might try something like that. All right, so starting to get a little later. Sun's starting to go down. So put the big gizzard shad head on and gonna toss that out. I'm gonna drag back out to the channel. The wind's starting to go down some now that evening's setting in, so I'm gonna give it another shot. It was so windy earlier today, it just made it really, really tough. So anyway, we'll see what we can do, guys. Dude, maybe you guys that fish Lake Wylie a lot know what this jelly is on this thing. I don't know what kind of eggs they are or what. That's kind of weird, dude. Called a limb brown here. Chain stickerel. All right. Getting chilly out here. Got my clothes in the back in the storage compartment, but I ain't whooping all that out right now. I'm not too far from getting back to shore, so. All right, guys, I'm back at the house. It was a little too dark to do an outro on the water, so here I'm in my garage to wrap it up. But before I go today, I wanted to give a big shout out to Fishing with Big Nasty. He and I got to meet. We live pretty close to each other, and I didn't really know it until we got in contact with each other. But anyway, we've gotten to fish a little bit together and go out on the kayaks together. He and I ended up buying identical kayaks, so we've got to go out and have a good time together. So I can guarantee you'll probably see some good videos from him in the future, because he loves that river, and so I'm sure we'll see him on the Catawba a lot. Anyway, thanks a lot for joining. This is Brian with Flint Hill Catfishing. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.